Hello friends, today I am going to show you about a difference between linking your CSS style sheet. So there are two methods of using the styles in HTML. So one is in inline. Actually there is three. One is like we can put it on the head section like this, style here, and between these two tags we can put our style. So let's try it. So let's put one div here and let's try to change the div using this method. So let's do it. I'm going to give a class to my div and name it to trial. So now we are going to test whether it works this way. So I give a class trial, then I'll give it a height of maybe 200 pixels and width of 200 pixels. So this is perfectly square, and I'll give it a background color of I'll give it aquamarine. So let's try. So let's check it in our browser whether it works. Yes, it is working. So we can see this is one. So this is one of the way, and another way is, let's delete this one, and this way is called the inline. So how we are going to do is, we'll type the style here, and after followed by style there will be an equal sign and two quotation mark, and between that two quotation mark you should apply your style. So let's add the height 200 pixels, width 200 pixels, and color background color to aqua. So we can see it is working. So these are the ways, these are the two ways, first two ways that we can use within the HTML. Like one is in the head section and one is inline. And the next one that I'm going to show you is external, linking an external style sheet. By the way, I have shown, there is another tutorial that I've done previously. I've shown how to link it. So I'll show you once again. So first we need to write the word link, and then we'll give what we are going to link. So it is, so the relation rel keyword followed by equal, then double quotation mark. Inside that we are going to give the value, what we are trying to link. Is it a JavaScript or different script? So what we are going to link is style sheet. So this is style sheet. Then what we are going to do is where it is located. So for us, we will see it is located right with the index, where the index is located. So what we are going to do is href followed by equals, then double quotation. Inside that we are going to put the location. So since we don't have it in a folder, we just have it beside the HTML on the same level. So what we are going to do is just type out the name style.css, and next what we are going to do is we are going to specify it whether which type of document it is. So this is optional, but it is a good practice. If you specify it, it will be good on the browsers. So what we'll do is type text CSS, and then we'll end the angle. So now we have successfully linked the style sheet. So now let's go to our style sheet, and here let's apply the same style to that trial div. So dot trial, then we are going to specify height equals to 200 pixels, width 200 pixels, and background color to aqua. So let's check it. Let's check our linking whether we have done it properly or not. Style source, style CSS, relations, style sheet. Oh, I see here we have our class, we have omitted some mistake. So let's add it back, class trial. So now we can see it is working. So whatever style we apply from here, let's say we are going to apply a border. So we'll give 2 pixels, and it should be solid black. So you see it's working. So this is how we use the style sheet, and there is 3 ways. First way is in the head section. The second way is inline, and the third way is the external style sheet. Oh, not this one, external style sheet. So these are the 3 ways, and between these 3, among these 3, the external is the most popular right now, and it is much more maintainable. So if someday you have made a big project and you have done it in an inline or in the head, so you have to go and change every single page in the head or in the inline. So this is not convenient. So if you have done it in external style sheet, it will be easier for you. If you change in one place, and if you change it in one place, it will show the change in all the pages. So the third one is more convenient, and we should be using the third one. Thank you.